I had a bunch of unclaimed rewards points at my job. I finally claimed them. This is what I picked up. A bunch of walkie talkies. So at the October van meet, we could communicate while we do some off-roading, while we convoy, Top Gear style. Today on Top Gear, lifted vans. How's it going, guys? See, everyone's happy even if you create a traffic jam, right?
Yes.
Sebastian has the RTZ leveling kit right there. So that's what the RTZ leveling kit looks like next to a 5-inch lift. If you're interested in the RTZ. And then he's running 265 tires. I think this is called collabing. So if you're watching this before June 18, join us on Sunday noon, Saturday today. We're comparing van notes here. If you enjoyed that Top Gear style intro, give this video a thumbs up. We all like Top Gear, right? So with walkie talkies, we'll be able to do Top Gear style videos. Here's a walkie talkie I picked up 3 packs of them, 6 altogether, so I'll be able to hand out 5 at the October van meet. So if you want to pick one of these up, if you want to pick up a pair, it's a Midland X-Talker T10. That's the product number. So you could get these at Amazon for $30, and they're rated high, like a 4.8 out of 5. So I got 5 to give out, total of 6. We have 10 people that are going to show up, confirmed. Like, you guys let me know you got your days off, and another 10 interested. So if you want to pick some up, they're $30 if you want to lend them out, so we could have more walkie-talkies on the trail. And then I'll have a GoPro set up while we're hitting the trail in Anza-Borrego, so we'll do some Top Gear style videos and have some fun. We're gonna have a lot of fun at the October van meet. So I'm thinking about doing a podcast. Me and Sebastian's Life 91, we're talking about this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a lifted van podcast. Let me know what topics would be cool, what topics you guys want us to talk about. This hobby is building up so much hype right now. I've been talking about lifted vans for more than 10 years now, and over the past couple of months I've been getting more comments and messages about lifted vans than I did the previous 10 years. So a lot of really good people in our circle of friends here on YouTube that are lifted van fanatics. Really looking forward to October 7, 8, and 9. Contact me. Let me know if you could make it. It's going to be an epic desert adventure.